आप करो स्टार्ट।
Students, today we will discuss about the exponent and power. This I am writing 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 2. So here I am multiplying how many 2's? 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 2. Means 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So I am writing here 2 to 5. Okay? So this is, we read as a 2 to power 5. 2 to power 5. 2 to power 5. Then there is 3 to power 2. We read this as a square of 3. 3 square. 3 square. 3 square. Means it is a 3 into 3. 3 into 3. If I am writing 3 to power 3 means it is 3 cube. 3 cube. This is your 3 into 3 into 3. When the power exceeds more than 3, then we say there is a 3 to power 4 है. तो यहाँ पर हमने क्या बोलेंगे 3 to power 4, 3 to power 5, 3 to power 6, 3 to power 7, 3 to power 8 like this. Okay?
हो गया सर?
नहीं हो. जैसे suppose this is 3, 5 into 5 into 5 into 5 into 5 into 5. Suppose you are asked to write this in exponential form. Suppose this is the question given. Suppose you are asked to write in the exponential form. Then here how many 5's we have multiplied? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 5's we have multiplied. So if I will write in exponential form, then I will write here 5 to power 6. 5 to power 6. 5 to power 6. So 5 to power 6 is the exponential form of this. Exponential form of this. Okay? Now students, power of a given number may be positive or negative. Now we will consider about the positive power of a positive number. 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 जैसे ये 2 है, 2 is a positive number. So if I will take the power 3, then this is coming 2 into 2 into 2. This is your 8. Your answer is also coming in positive. Your answer is coming in positive. Here suppose 2 to power 6. 2 to power 6. Now you see 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 2. This is coming to कितना 4 into 4. 16 into 4, 64. 64. It is also coming positive. So when we take the power of a positive number, whether the power is even or odd, the answer will come in positive. Answer will come in plus. Nothing sign means plus. Nothing sign means plus. Okay? Now we will consider the negative power of a positive number. But power of a negative number. Power of a negative number. Power of a negative quantity. Negative quantity. While taking the power of a negative quantity, we should remain very conscious about the sign of the answer. Sign of the आंसर. सर जैसे यहाँ पर क्वेश्चन है -3 2 power 3 है. Now here you see. Now we have to decide what will be the sign. You see minus sign is inside the bracket. Inside the bracket. It means your -3 into -3 into -3. It is coming -27. Minus 27. So the final answer is coming minus. Final answer is coming minus because here the power is the odd. Power is the odd number. So when we take the odd power of a negative quantity, then we get the answer in negative, in a minus, Now you see, this is -3 minus 5 into 4. So you see power is even and -5 is negative. Now its answer will come in plus because the power is even. Power is even. Okay? So you see here this is -5 into -5 into -5 into -5. The answer is coming plus 625. 625. So you are getting the answer in plus. So when we take the negative power, power of a negative quantity, we should remain very conscious about the sign. If the power is odd, then the answer will come in minus. If the power is even, then the answer will come in plus. Now you see -7 to power 17. So here the answer will be come in minus. Answer will come in minus because 7 is odd. 17 is odd. So answer will come in minus. Okay. Here there is no need to multiply 17 times minus sign because here power is only on 7. Okay. -7 to power 17. Okay. This is -7 to power 36. Here the power is even. And this is your negative quantity. So here the answer will come in plus 7 to power 36 because the power is even. Here the power is odd, so we are getting minus sign. Here power is even, so we are getting with a plus sign. Now one thing, students confused. There is a -2 to power 6 and -2 to power 6. What is the difference? जैसे यहाँ पर मैंने बोला कि पावर इवन है, इसका आंसर प्लस में आएगा 2 to power 6. Now here it is the answer will come in minus because there is only one minus. Here we have taken the power of only 2, not the power of minus sign. We have not taken the power of minus sign. So the answer will be 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 2. But here it is -2 into -2 into -2 into -2 into -2 into -2. So this is coming how much? 4 into 4 into 4 plus 64 will come. And here you are getting -64. So you also, while taking the power, you have to see you are taking the power of minus quantity or not, minus sign or not. Jैसे why this is so happening? Because -7 means it is -1 into 7. -1 into 7. This is student -7 means it is a minus. We can write this as -1 to power 7. If I am taking the power 6 means here -1 into 7 to power 6. This means -1 to power 6 into 7 to power 6. Naturally, if you will multiply -1 6 times, the answer will come in plus. And this is 7 to power 6 because here the power is even. so answer will come in power. But this minus 7 to power 6, here we are not taking the power of minus side. Here only I have taken the power of 7. Here I have only taken the power of 7. So naturally the sign will come in minus, but the power is even here. Okay, are you clear? Next we will read in the next class. ये क्या बंद हो गया क्या? बंद करो.